We are pleased to introduce STEMinnoCare, a training program designed to improve cognition and motor skills. STEMinnoCare consists of training and measurement. The training includes physical exercise, motion games, dance games, and cognitive training games. The measurement includes 2 types of physical ability test and cognitive ability test. In the evaluation, you can see individual short-term and long-term assessments for each training and measurement, as well as relative evaluations by age. We are now presenting the detailed content. We are introducing training content to improve physical abilities while showcasing STEMinnoCare's speciality, the homework system. The exercises are simple movements of about 25 seconds and are classified by function or body part. Unit training can be configured as selected by the trainer or user, taking into account the exercise area and function. Now, this is the process where a user accesses the program at home, checks the homework, plays it, and completes the homework. We enable users to increase their training time with a diverse program that includes games, ballet, and dance. We will describe a dance game of ballet, dance, and yoga. The user can earn points by performing training. These points can be used to purchase items to decorate their 3D model. We can encourage children's active participation by allowing users to set their own goals and receive points when they achieve those goals. We are introducing the cognitive training part. The difficulty level can be automatically set to the level the user last reached. This is a game where the user catches falling marbles. The user must receive marbles in the center of the plate and, at the same time, add the number written on the marbles you received. As the difficulty increases, the user must add the numbers for each color. This is a game in which the user quickly makes a pizza according to the order form and places it on the grill to bake. After baking, the pizza will burn. The pizza game is an example of a form of multitasking that mobilizes 3 abilities: the ability to compose the pizza, the memory to distinguish between completed and new orders, and the ability to predict cooking time. Most of STEMinnoCare's cognitive games multitask, requiring 2 or more skills. The format of multitasking enhances cognitive stimulation for higher training effectiveness. People can also do physical training through motion games. Before starting the game, the user adjusts the distance so that the camera can recognize the body part you will use. The user's body appears as a shadow on the screen. This is a game in which a small bird moves left and right according to the tilt of the user's shoulders, eats food, and avoids snakes. This is a game where you must move both knees to avoid balls that appear. When the user moves their knees, the 2 red dots move accordingly to play the game. Now, let's introduce the measurement area. The user stands at a distance where the user's full body appears on the screen and follows the motions shown in the video. The user's motions are recognized, and the user's physical ability is evaluated. This motor skills test consists of 6 motions. When we introduce the assessment area later, we will see how the current test results are reflected in the assessment. That's why we carry out all from start to finish. What we see now is a summary evaluation of the test. We are introducing the pose game. As a game-type test, it consists of various poses. The user must stand at a distance so that their body fits precisely within the displayed border. When the user poses as shown on the screen, the accuracy of the pose is measured. This test can evaluate different abilities like balance, agility, strength, and performance. This time, we introduce a cognitive ability test. The test starts when the user selects their age. The user hears a question from the speaker and uses their hands to select the correct answer. Regular evaluation of users every 6 months provides valuable long-term development data. Now, finally, we introduce the evaluation area. The evaluation form graphs the user's abilities by type of training and testing on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. Relative evaluation by age is also possible. Now, you see an example of a detailed test evaluation of what was performed a little while ago. Let's all grow together with STEMinnoCare. Thank you.